Hey, I've got to say something.
Yeah, speak away.
Speak knowledgeably. On 2019 Jindabyne trip, we're going a day early, and all fish today can walk out towards the tally.
Double points.
Double point Friday.
It has been said, and it is official.
All in favour?
Aye. All against?
Carried.
Done. See you at the lake.
Thought about this too much. What's there left to say? Throw your stones the river. Like me it drifts away. I would watch you stare. I would watch you stare.
So here we are, Jindy, night one. Focus here. Lake views.
We can figure this out. Put your feet down. We are the lucky ones. Swallow your choice, it's done. Terrified of what's left remains unsaid until you break my mind. Until you break my mind. Until you break my thought. Until you break my thought.
Alright, we're off. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo!
Let the games begin.
I'm doing wishes in the world in hopes that you keep for yourself and know there was a time when we never let go.
Funny if he falls in.
Never let go. We
Rains
never
are coming.
let go. We
Oh, I got that one.
figure this out. Put your feet down. We are the lucky ones.
Say 2-12. I can't count. Say 5-12.
Less than.
Terrified of what's left remains unsaid until you break my mind. Until you break my thought. Until you break my thought.
Steam coming off it.
And stones will break.
I can't think of anything without a
They
start.
will break. They will break. Oh, 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 yeah, yeah. No, no.
How's the Serenity?
Very nice.
How many, Brendan?
Whole heap of none.
Ooh.
Our serenity has not been disturbed by the trout.
Like that, nice disruption.
At least it's a glorious place.